Okay. Hi team.
We're low-key, high-key hiking.
We are on a hike on the North Beach Trail.
Yeah.
Here are our hiking fits. Baggy t-shirt that says Alberta Women's Hunting. Thrifted it. Blue Note shorts and hiking boots.
So
That
serious.
Yeah, and the boots are also steel toes, so I can wear them to work. AP sundress and pink Crocs.
Not
and,
letting silly little height get in the way of my outfit.
yeah. Guys, so we just swam in this gorgeous water.
Literally so pretty.
It was so pretty. It
So
was
beautiful.
freezing, but I felt like it was so easy to get in.
Yeah.
Like usually at the beach, we like take like 30 minutes to get in the water because it's so cold. But here it was like we wanted to go in.
Yeah. We went to the shallow part.
Shallow, of course, because we can't swim. So now we're gonna continue on after some photos and see if there's a more calm, shallow area that's easier to swim in. Just swam in the creek. It was so pretty, but it was freezing, but we went under. We swam in the coldest water ever. Loved it though. It was so good.
Holy cow.
Guys, it's freaking 7-Eleven day, so we're getting a free Slurpee, and I'm so excited. So we got our free Slurpees. It was so freaking chaotic. Could not get whatever I wanted. So I got strawberry lemonade. I got Coke and more strawberry lemonade.